Hey, beautiful soul, welcome back to Enchant Your Life, where we explore all things spiritual and magical so you can live an empowered life that you absolutely love. And if that's your jam, go ahead and like and subscribe right now. I'm Shakilia, and today we're going to be talking about something simple but deeply magical. We're talking about decluttering. Yes, cleaning, but also energetic clearing. Because let me tell you, cleanliness really is close to godliness, as they say. When your environment is clear, you can think clearly. You can hear God clearly. Hear your intuition and your higher self clearly. A cluttered space, well, that usually also means a cluttered mind. And a cluttered mind can lead to overthinking. It can lead to anxiety. It can lead to you trying to control everything, confusion, and chaos. My junior high school homeroom teacher, Miss Hunter, she used to always tell us, and she used to write it on the board too, it seems like almost every day. She would put, order precludes chaos. And she was absolutely right. And listen, it's Christmas time right now, so 'tis the season to declutter. And the new year is approaching. We all deserve to start our new year with fresh vibes and a fresh new start, right? But please know that decluttering is not just for this time of the year. It's for any time of the year. Whenever you feel that nudge, that urge to clean or to purge out a space or anything like that, that's your intuition telling you it is time. So today we're diving into why decluttering is important, how to declutter, and how decluttering can transform your entire life. Have you ever walked into a messy room and immediately felt sick or overwhelmed? It's not just the mess, it's actually the energy that the mess creates. Clutter holds old emotions, old memories, and old versions of you, and that can really weigh you down. When your space is clean and clear, your mind calms down, you can make better decisions, you can hear your intuition more clearly. Decluttering is spiritual work. Now let's talk about how to do it. You want to start with a small area. Start with something like maybe your junk drawer or your closet or that corner of your room that you pretend not to see every single day. Give everything a home. And if it doesn't have a home, that's your first sign that it might need to go. Let go of old clothes, clothes with holes in it, panties with holes in it, clothes that don't fit anymore, maybe clothes that are just there in your closet hanging up for a long time as like something you might wear just in case, or one day it might fit you. You know, it's time to let all of that go. Tell them thank you for your service, and then either give them away or toss them out. And if you have quality stuff, it's a good idea to donate it to, charity or a thrift store, Salvation Army, things like that. I remember, when I was much younger and my daughter was very, very young, I didn't have much money at the time. And I used to go to thrift stores where I found a lot of quality clothes. And I was so grateful and thankful that people actually took the time out to donate quality clothing that they no longer used. So just keep in mind that when you do donate, you could be letting go of something, but you could also be blessing someone else. And let's not forget all that digital clutter that we also have. Those millions of photos in your phone, the phone numbers of people that you don't even speak to anymore, those thousands of emails that stress you out every time you go into your inbox. It's time to clear them all out. For the emails, you can clear it, take time to clear it out. Block senders who you don't want to have come into your inbox. You can also have certain people's messages go directly to your spam or to your junk. And if you have a lot on your plate, you don't have to clear everything in one long marathon. You can take small amounts and do a little bit every single day until it's clear. And when the space is physically clean, I love to sage the area. Here's my sage. I use a seashell and I burn sage. And I open the windows. I let out the old energy. I pray and I invite in new positive vibes, love, peace, and blessings. Now, let me tell you real quick about my attic. My attic is my multi-purpose space. I use it for a bit of storage. I use it for arts and crafts. I create carnival costumes and dolls and masks. I also use it as my music studio space. So, when I start working on a project and I get into the creativity mode, things can get real crazy and real wild real fast. Feathers and gems will end up everywhere quickly. And if I don't clean it up right away or soon after finishing that project, that clutter will grow because I will work on another project on top of that. And when that happens, I start to lose inspiration. With all that clutter, I start to feel out of alignment and I feel less creative. And then it comes to a certain point where I avoid the attic altogether. So I had to push myself to clean it because I wanted to get back into making music and stuff like that, right? So for 3 Saturdays in a row, for a few hours each Saturday, I buckled down and I cleaned up the attic. And just a quick tip, you should play your favorite music while you're cleaning up. It'll lift your spirits, lift your vibes, and just make the whole cleaning process a whole lot more fun. And what I learned was, don't let it get that bad. Clean up after every project so your creativity can continue to flow. When you finish decluttering, you feel lighter. Your mind is clearer. You can get more ideas. You can solve problems now. Your anxiety goes down and you feel more in control of your life. And energetically, you create space where blessings can flow in, out with the old and in with the new. You deserve peace. You deserve a beautiful space. You deserve an environment that feels supportive to you. Let me know in the comments what you plan on cleaning up first. Decluttering can be really tough and emotional. You may shed some tears, you just may. But I believe in you. I know you got this. Happy cleaning. I love you. Stay enchanted, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.